So the laundry had existing cabinets on the right hand side, but the doors were all old and weren't working properly. So we've had them replaced. And these are brand new cabinets we've put in on the left side in a contrasting colour. And again, the client wanted to keep terracotta tiles that run all the way through this house. So this is what we've done with this one. The laundry now has a lovely wood look cabinetry and a ceramic trough that will go in that spot there. Nice big Caroma Metro. We're going to have cornice running along the top here, and the door will go back on this cabinet here with the washer and dryer next to it. So lovely job. And of course we always put a tile on the kickback. Why do we do that? We stop the water, any water going into the cabinet, by putting a tile on the kickboard. That way you don't get any cabinet water damage in the laundry.